Hello everyone, today we will be unboxing the Narzo 50A, but before we begin, let's have a look at the box first. So as you can see, the box is of a very nice blue color. There's a big branding of Narzo right over here. As you can see, it's slanted. Moving on the top right corner, you will find the model number of Narzo 50A, and at the back, you will find that this phone is of oxygen blue color and it provides you with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage space. Also, you can see it comes with Helio G85 gaming processor. It has 6000 mAh mega battery. It has 50 megapixel AI triple camera and it provides you with 18 watts quick charging. So without further ado, let's start off with the unboxing. So in this envelope right over here, you will find, just hold on a second, you will find a safety guide, and I think this is a quick guide. So there's a main unit right over here, and as you can see, it's of a very nice oxygen blue color, and there you can see the triple camera setup. But for now, I'll just keep it aside and I'll talk about other things present in the box. So you have a charging adapter right over here, and by the specifications given over here, you can see it is an 18 watts fast charger. Moving on, to support that charger, they have also provided you with, just hold on a sec, a C-type USB cable. There you go. So that's all folks. This is what you'll find in the box of Narzo 50A. Thank you so much for watching the video.